This is the definitive guide to resolving persistent flickering video glitches within Premiere Pro. Having personally navigated the frustrations of visual artifacts interrupting edits, I've meticulously tested numerous approaches and discovered several effective methods to eliminate these issues, which I will now share. The first approach addresses software and hardware compatibility by ensuring Premiere Pro and your graphics card drivers are updated to their latest versions, as outdated components can lead to rendering conflicts and visual anomalies like flickering. Changing the rendering engine from QDA to OpenCL or software only can also isolate whether the GPU is the source of the problem, effectively bypassing potential driver incompatibilities. Disabling Mercury Playback Engine temporarily can help identify if the issue lies within GPU acceleration itself. Adjusting sequence settings to match your footage's properties like frame rate and resolution prevents misinterpretations during playback and export. Clearing the media cache purges temporary files that may have become corrupted, often resolving playback errors. Method 2 focuses on media integrity. Recreating or transcoding problematic clips into a more editing-friendly format like ProRes or DNxHD eliminates inherent compression issues within the source files that can cause flickering. Checking timeline playback resolution and verifying project file integrity further ensures the editing environment is stable. Exporting with a different codec can reveal if the issue is specific to a particular output format. Method 3 dives into effect management, where specific clip effects, particularly Lumetri color adjustments, might be overtaxing the system or contain bugs causing rendering artifacts. Disabling or resetting these effects can pinpoint the exact culprit. Rendering effects in and out creates pre-rendered versions of complex segments, smoothing playback. Method 4 involves broader system optimization, including OS updates and verifying all hardware drivers are current, ensuring the entire system supports Premiere Pro's demands. Testing different projects and utilizing Adobe Media Coder for exports provides further diagnostic tools to isolate the problem to your project or Premiere Pro itself.